Saniflo, the original plumbing solution since 1958. Are you tired of breaking the concrete? Existing pump systems are not very convenient when it comes to installation. Everyone knows what a tedious and expensive job it is to break the concrete. Keep in mind that cutting the concrete makes it possible to accidentally cut into a water or gas line. It also makes it tough when working with ceramic tile floors or because of radiant heat in the floor. It can also undermine structural integrity, as it can lead to stress cracks, leaks, and could also lead to higher radon levels. It most likely will cause the dust and debris to linger in central air systems for years. It may even be impossible to cut into the concrete because of post-tension cables, rebar, or high water tables. It's now a good time to drive away from this unwanted dilemma and think of the best solution. Are you tired of getting callbacks for servicing your sewage ejector system over and over and over? It is estimated that 40% of your time and money is spent taking care of unnecessary service calls. A large portion of these callbacks are because of items such as condoms, tampons, baby wipes, dental floss, or feminine products that are being clogged into their pump systems, causing these systems to fail prematurely. It's now time to eliminate these avoidable service calls. Are you tired of losing jobs to the Saniflo guy because of overpriced grinder systems? Stay away from the omnivorous and shark-infested waters and stop losing money. Join us now. We know from experience that sewage ejector systems are less expensive, but with lots of problems. We also know that grinder systems have the advantage of causing little to no problems, but these systems are very expensive. Saniflo, less expensive than your average grinder systems, eliminating any future problems, and without having to break concrete. Introducing the Sanicubic One, the next generation of above-the-floor packaged simplex grinder systems. Let's take a look at some of the possible applications for these systems. The Sanicubic One grinder system can be installed to accommodate multiple waste fixtures from a residential single-family house, a multi-family house or complex, a small commercial warehouse or office, as well as from remote places such as cabins, cottages, and lodges. Allow us to show you how easy it is to install a Sanicubic One. Secure the Sanicubic One to the floor. Connect your drain pipes to one or both of the side inlets on the pump. Install the appropriate isolating valve. Use the rubber couplings and clamps provided to make these connections. Fixtures from upper floors can all be drained into the pump through the top inlets on the pump. Connect the 1.5-inch discharge pipe. This system can discharge the waste up to 36 feet vertical and up to 328 feet across. Connect your 1.5-inch vent line and run your electrical vent tube upwards. Connect the power cord to a 110-volt power supply with a GFI receptacle. Use the pre-wired cable to connect the external alarm box in a closer place where it can be monitored. As you can see, the installation is very quick and simple. Once you completed your project, you will see how much money you saved using the Sanicubic One system. Let's see the different features that are provided with the system. Mounting tabs are molded in the casing for fast and easy installation. A quick vent connection for the electrical section is provided along with the clear tube. A visual LED alarm is mounted on the unit in case of power failure, along with an overload LED indicator. An override button for manual operation of the motor. An external audible alarm box with a pre-wired cable for easy connection. LED indicators displayed on the external alarm box which show power to the unit, as well as a high-level visual and audible alarm. Let's finally take a look at the system in operation. Wastewater drains through the left side inlet connection, which can adapt to 4-inch or 1.5-inch pipe. The same goes for the right side inlet. Incoming wastewater drains into both top inlets, which can be adapted to 4-inch or 1.5-inch pipe. The incoming flow gets discharged through the 1.5-inch pipe located in the middle of the unit. The Sanicubic 1 features a powerful 1 horsepower motor with thermal overheat sensor, which prevents it from overheating. Wastewater drains into the pump through a gravity-fed pipe. The water level inside the pump rises and causes the trapped air to travel through the level pressure dip tube. Air creates pressure which forces the pressure level microswitch to be activated and turn on the system. The stainless steel blades grind the waste while the impeller gets rid of the already liquefied waste. The waste travels through the internal discharge pipe. Once the unit turns off, a built-in non-return valve prevents the liquefied waste from traveling back into the pump. The Sanicubic 1 grinder system from Saniflo opens up the door to unlimited applications where before it was either too expensive or even impossible to achieve. With its unique above-the-floor installation, its superior performance and affordable cost, these are the reasons that make this system one of its kind. Also available for more demanding applications, Sanicubic 2 Duplex Grinding System.